So in this video, you'll learn how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC. So the first step is to launch your preferred browsing app. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in CapCut download, then search. You should see different options listed in the search results. So you want to do is to ensure that you're actually getting it from the CapCut site and not any other site that you normally use. So for example, you can see this one says www.capcut.com. And when you click on it, it will take you directly to the CapCut website. However, you'll also notice some other sites will take you to a third-party site that will allow you to download from there. So what you want to do is simply just go back and ensure that you're using the correct site. And so once you've done that, you should see this option labeled download for free. You want to click on it and then simply wait for the app installer to be downloaded onto your computer. Once it's been downloaded, you then want to launch the Files app and you want to navigate to your Downloads section. And then from here, you can see the app installer. So what you want to do is simply double click on it and then wait a few seconds. And then, once you've waited a few seconds, you should see this appearing on your screen. So this is the installer. So it's just installing the CapCut app onto your Windows PC. So from here, you can customize the location. So you can choose to change the location as well as if you want the icon to be added onto your desktop. So if you want to change the location, you have to ensure that you do it earlier, as once it's reached 20%, you can no longer customize the location. So once you've done that, simply wait for the app to be installed onto your computer. And then once this installation is complete, you can now start using CapCut on your Windows PC. So let me put this in full screen mode. And this is how CapCut looks like when you have successfully installed it and agreed to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And then from here, all you want to do is simply sign in with your account if you already have one created. If not, don't worry, it's okay. You can always choose to create one from here, or you don't necessarily need an account. You can just click on Create Project and start editing using CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.